car, grab my coffee cup, and back the trailer up, I guess.
How fucking cool.
How do you feel today?
Good. Unreal.
My brain doesn't work like that.
Garage was more climate controlled than you would have thought.
Time to clean the old girl up a little bit. Been sitting in the garage for some time, and even under a car cover, still a little dirty. Got some work to do, but not a lot. So this is a 95 Montego Blue FD RX-7 with 16,000 original miles. Straight barn find, straight out of the garage. Car hasn't seen the light of day in probably over 15 years. I've got my work cut out for me. Went through and cleaned all four wheels with some degreaser and a scrub brush. They came back okay. Still a little corrosion, still a little pitting. Slowly coming back. Take some like SOS pad or something to it eventually and get in there with a little more grit. But next, let's see what this paint's all about. It's Montego Blue. Put a little soap on her. Just hit her with the old soap and water trick. Check him out. Is it blue? Is it green? We don't know. Is it black? At nighttime? Maybe. So next we get to play interior guy. It's a little moldy. Wipe down some of the stuff. It'll do. It will certainly do. Steve brought his FC, the old girl. Steve's had this car 23 years? Huh? 23 years? 21?
19.
19. Numbers are hard. It's been his only car, his daily driver, and she's still kicking. Moving on to the inside of things, we've got battery power, we've got radio,
For your neighbor.
we've got 18,420 miles, a little more than I thought, but that's fine, still under 20. Everything seems to work, sunroof's open. Cleaning up the interior, got the door panel looking nice and good. Sunlight's probably not my favorite to show you that. Now we'll work on the moldy steering wheel. Got the console cleaned up. Kind of little by little. Goose edge. It's a car. So, we now have the outside clean. We have the interior fairly clean. All the mold seems to be gone out of it. Seemed like it just bit of surface mold on like the common touched areas for like where your arms are like up against the door cards and the center console, shifter, stuff like that. So she's cleaning up pretty nicely, but today has been super eventful. It's a big long story on this car that I'll probably film a little separate clip to add to this video about, because it's a long story, but 10 years in the making, and it's here. It's mine. It's in my driveway. It's clean. Cheers.